Hey my loves, I am back. I am natural AF. My hairdresser is going to kill me for wearing my hair out like this. However, she's back and she is here with a unit from Nadula Hair. Be confident, be bold, be you. Okay.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Yeah. So I am back and I have my hair out for a reason. Can you guess why? Go ahead, I'm listening to the people in the back. Can you guess why? Okay. So I am coming through with a Upart wig and I'm so excited. I love Upart wigs, like so excited. Look how beautiful she is. Now this is the look at that. And now I'm touching the hair, okay guys, because you know sometimes when they do these thick units like this, the curve, it don't be right. I'm a little bit darker than this. It don't be all the way right. This feels very nice to the touch, like very, very, very nice to the touch. I'm going to chop off just those little two lines in the middle. This should be like a super easy styling if somebody don't get their ghetto ass dog. Okay. All right. So this has three combs. Oh, so this is combs, guys. So this has three combs. One, let me get a little bit closer. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then 2 combs on the side and 1 in the back, as well as adjustable straps. It even has lace at the bottom. And I'm gonna, excuse me, Wakanda forever. And I'm assuming that it has the lace at the bottom because you could throw her up in a ponytail. So I'm just going to go on ahead and style mama up real quick. Now this really should be easy. Nadula Hair always comes bearing gifts, so they made sure that we had our wig cap, okay, a red tooth comb. Is that what we call these, red tooth combs, y'all? Is that what this is? Yeah, a red tooth comb and some lashes. Okay, so I appreciate it, y'all. They always sending me something cute. Some lashes. Okay, so you always get a nice little gift with purchase as well with Nadula Hair, so don't sleep on them. Now I'm just gonna, I want to shut my mouth and really get this together. So they really have this set up because I want to give you a few styles. Okay, full disclosure. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into how I'm gonna style her. I'm gonna use, first of all, I'm gonna hit up my edges because they looking a little rough, and that's just true tea. But where did my red tooth comb go? Because these, I can't get enough of these. Like when you send me one of these, let me tell you. So I'm just going to go on through. I almost wish I didn't put my makeup on yet, which annoys me. But I'm just pulling out some hair that I'm going to straighten. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put a little bit of these. Now this is just Luster's Re-Nutrient Slick Stick. Okay, it's got hair all over it, so don't judge me, y'all. And I just like to do this, and it kinda, it's almost like a heat protectant, and it really does help slick the hair. So I'm just gonna put it on my little edges. Y'all see how this side I'm getting like little calicky? So my hairdresser definitely told me not to be putting the combs in my wigs in my hair, because that's why I'm a little bit light on this side. But I got a small head, y'all. And sometimes that requires me to put the goddamn combs in. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? So, yeah. So, we're going to get into this unit. So, while I get into the deets, while I wait for my hot comb to warm up. Okay, y'all see I got my little slick stick waiting. I'm going to tell you the deets on this unit. So, this unit is 24 inches. She's really stunning. Like, I mean, the touch of this hair is beautiful. I did hit up my I turned on my flat irons just in case, because you know, just in case. Now she's 150% density, which I like, which means she's giving full wig density despite the fact that she's going to be a Upart wig. Okay, and she's currently going for just under $185, which to me that's a deal. Look at this hair. That's 24 inches throughout. That's 24 inches throughout. Okay? Now, it looks like my thing is a little hot. Now, I'm going to shut my mouth and get this together. So this is her in the middle, looking absolutely fucking, sorry, absolutely stunning. Is that my hair or no? Let me turn around. Now, she is super big head friendly. Like, I want to be real clear about that, okay? Like, super duper 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 big head friendly. I wish I had on earrings. Where are my earrings? I'm obsessed. Now, if you know me, you know I love, love, love to look like a Nadula. Her and I is cut from the same cloth. We cousins. I'm certain of it. Like, I'm certain. And this hair has me feeling just like her. I feel so Nubian, so beautiful. This hair is super inexpensive for the length that you get as well as the thickness. This is a very big head friendly unit. So if you got a big old head, sis, and you trying to do something that's really a nice, sexy, natural look, I definitely implore that you got to go reach out to Nadula hair. Now, because of that, I had that Wakanda Forever her in the back. Okay, so she giving a little gap, but that's nothing that some bobby pins won't fix. Okay, again, I'm obsessed. Look at that. Good night, child. And granted, it's not a lace, but it's still giving. Look at that. You could throw her in a ponytail. I just love this. Okay. I don't have my good ponytail things in here, but I'm going to take a picture of it like this so you guys can see what I'm working with. But this is really nice. Let me comb this down in the back, because what you don't want is to be walking around with a Upart wig and everybody know that's what it is. That ain't hot, right? You want to give flawless, okay? All 24 inches. You want your hair to blend. I see a lot of y'all with your hair being wigs, and y'all, not your hair being wigs, but y'all Upart wigs, and them things be thangin', and not in the good way, okay? So we got a little ponytail situation going. I'm really into this Upart wig. She's really, really stunning. I want you guys to get into Nadula hair. Check them out. This unit is super inexpensive. She feels fantastic. She did not shed at all. Do you hear me? As thick as this hair is, she did not tinkle at all. Okay? Like, at all. At all. Okay? I'm really into her. Bust down. Subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you guys are thinking. It's a lot of hair. I personally got a lot of hair. I wanted to try the 24 inch. She's giving me exactly what needs to be provided. Y'all know I love to wear my hats nowadays. Okay? And this is the one. This is definitely one to go underneath a hat. I mean, she's one not to go underneath your hat too, though. But she's fire. And I'm probably going to curl her up sometime soon so you guys can get a look at her like that. I just didn't do it today because I wanted to show you guys her in her natural state. But you guys let me know what you're thinking. Is she giving scalp? Is she giving... Sis, is that on you? Is she giving it? Am I providing? Is it Leela James in the house? Is that her name, y'all? Don't judge me, judge your mama. Bust down. Subscribe to this channel. I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Thanks, Nadula.